Hello, everyone. Welcome to this learning space. My name is Lorena Cortez Vargas and 27 years old. I'm currently studying bachelor's degree in English. So today we are learning together. To begin the last class, think about a person you admire. How would you describe that person? Great. When we describe a person, we usually get two types of information. First, we add details to explain who they are in English. This is done using relative clauses. And second, to describe the personality, we use combination of words called personality collocations. Now, let's start with relative clauses. A relative clauses is a group of the words that give extra information about a noun. In other words, they help understand what or who we are talking about. For example, Pedro is the boy who works in the office with me. How works in the office with me, it's giving us extra information and that's a relative clauses. To make relative clauses, we use relative pronouns. We use relative pronouns to connect ideas and give extra information about someone or something. The most common relative pronouns are who or that, use it for people. It can be translated as que or can. Which or that, used to think. It can be translated que or cual. Whose, used to show possession. It can be translated cuyo. When, used for time, and where, used for place. Relative clauses are divided into two types. The first one is defining relative clauses. These clauses give essential information about the noun. Identify which person or thing we are referring to and that can replace who or which. Let's look at some examples. I have a friend who studies English. Who studies English gave us more information about the friend. The book which about yesterday is brilliant. Which about yesterday, it tells us which book we're talking about. Okay, let's continue with no non-defining relative clauses. These clauses add extra information and are separated by commas that cannot replace which or how, and the relative pronoun cannot be omitted. Let's look at some examples. My sister, who lives in Bogota, is a teacher. The museum, which is very old, is beautiful. Now, let's move to the second topic, personality collocations. A collocation is a combination of words that are naturally used together in English. When we talk about personality, collocation helps describe people more naturally. For example, good company, kind-hearted person, auto personality, and strong personality. Now, I invited you to complete the following activities. The first is quiz with multiple choice questions. The second activity is reading exercise. Please follow the instructions. The third activity is a listen exercise, where you will listen to an audio and fill in the blanks. Finally, the fourth activity, writing exercise, asks you to look the image and write the correct relative pronoun. See you in the next class. Bye bye.